Hello, good morning, students. Today we will study next chapter from 12th standard syllabus. It is chapter number 11, alcohols, phenols, and ethers. So, in this chapter, we will study alcohols and phenols. These are hydroxy compounds, and alcohols and ethers, they are functional isomers. So therefore, they are given in the same chapter, alcohol, phenol, and the ether. So the first point of this chapter is to study alcohols, that is definition. So alcohols are the organic compounds which contain OH group as a functional group attached to saturated carbon. So this type of saturated means a singly bonded carbon to which OH group is bonded. These types of compounds are called as alcohols. Then these hydroxy compounds may be aromatic, and these hydroxy aromatic compounds, they are called as phenols. So phenols are also called as aromatic alcohols. Phenol contain hydroxy group directly bonded to aromatic carbon, that is a benzene. So this is a benzene molecule to which this OH group is directly bonded. Similarly, other example of phenol is this is naphthalene and OH group is bonded. So these are the phenols, examples of phenols in which OH group is directly bonded to aromatic ring. Consider this example, that is not a phenol, it is aromatic alcohol. So here this is a benzene ring bonded to CH2 group. So this is aliphatic, that is open chain, to which OH group is bonded. Means this is alcohol, example of alcohol, because OH group is not directly bonded to aromatic ring. There is a aliphatic carbon in between aromatic ring and the hydroxy group. Therefore, this is aromatic alcohol and not phenol. The name of this compound is benzyl alcohol, that we will study afterwards in nomenclature in detail. Now, third type of compounds given in our syllabus in this chapter are ethers. They contain functional group as an oxygen atom, and this oxygen atom bonded to both sides with alkyl group or aryl group, or one alkyl and one aryl groups. So therefore ethers are also called as organic oxides. Ethers are also called as organic oxides, or in other words, ethers are considered as these anhydrides of alcohol, because from the two alcohol molecule, if we remove one H2O molecule, then the compound obtained called as an anhydride. So ethers are anhydrides of alcohol. So this is general formula for ether containing two R groups. This is a general formula for ether containing one alkyl group and one aryl group. And one more formula for ether is given, which contain oxygen atom is bonded to two aryl groups. So that is about the ethers. Then next point given in this chapter is to study this classification of ethers, classification of alcohols. So this classification of alcohols, then we will study classification of phenols, and then classification of ethers first. this classification of alcohols. Alcohols are classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric or polyhydric alcohols that depends upon number of OH groups present in that molecules. This monohydric alcohols or monohydric phenol, they contain one OH group. Similarly, dihydric alcohol or dihydric phenol contain two OH groups in their molecule. Then trihydric alcohol or trihydric phenol contains three OH groups in their molecule. Like this alcohols and phenols may be polyhydric, meaning it's they contain more than two OH groups. They are called as a polyhydric alcohols or polyhydric phenols. Here some examples are given. One of the example is this is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol or ethanol contain one OH group. So this is example of monohydric alcohol. Then second example here given, it contains two OH groups in one molecule. So this type of alcohol is called as a dihydric alcohol. Then next example is this alcohol contain three OH groups in one molecule, therefore it is called as a trihydric alcohol. So like this monohydric, dihydric, trihydric alcohols are there. Similarly, we will study examples of phenols containing one OH group, two OH groups and three OH groups. So this is a benzene ring bonded with one OH group. So this is example of monohydric phenol. Then this phenol contains two OH groups. This is a dihydric phenol, and this phenol contains three OH groups. So it is a trihydric phenols. So similar to alcohols, phenols are also classified as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric phenols. Then we will consider this classification of monohydric alcohols further. So we know this monohydric alcohol contain one OH group in their molecules. So on the basis of position of this OH group in alcohol, they are classified into different types. So the first type is this alcohols containing OH group bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon. sp3 hybridized carbon means a carbon which is bonded to single bond to which OH group is bonded. So this type of alcohol is called as a alcohol containing sp3 hybridized carbon. So in this type of alcohol, they are further classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohols depending upon position of OH group on primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon. If OH group is bonded to primary carbon, then alcohols are called as a primary alcohols. If OH group is bonded to secondary carbon, then alcohol is called as a secondary alcohol. Here these examples are given. So this is primary alcohol which contain OH group bonded to this primary carbon. Then this is example of secondary alcohol in which OH group is bonded to secondary carbon. Secondary carbon is that carbon which is bonded to 2R group, that is two alkyl groups, that is a secondary carbon to which OH group is bonded, called as a secondary alcohol. Then tertiary alcohol, here this central carbon is tertiary carbon because it is bonded to three alkyl groups, one alkyl group, second alkyl group, and third alkyl group. Therefore, this carbon is tertiary and it is bonded with OH group, and therefore this is example of this tertiary alcohol. So this each of these three types of alcohols are also either allylic type or benzylic type. If sp3 hybridized carbon carrying OH group, they are bonded to further bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. So depending upon that, they are classified into allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohols. First, we will study what is this allylic alcohols. So in this type of alcohol, this OH group is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, and this sp3 hybridized carbon is further bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon, that is carbon-carbon double bond containing carbon. So this type of alcohol, that is called as a allylic alcohol. So here one example of allylic alcohol is given. So here OH group is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, and this carbon is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon, and common name of this alcohol is allyl alcohol, and it is allylic primary. So allylic alcohols, they are again further classified into allylic primary, allylic secondary, and allylic tertiary alcohols. Consider this example. Here OH group is bonded to primary carbon, that is sp3 hybridized carbon, and which is then bonded to this sp2 hybridized carbon. Here OH group is present on primary carbon, and therefore it is example of allylic primary alcohol. Then consider this example. Here this OH group is bonded to secondary carbon, which is sp3 hybridized, but that carbon is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. Therefore it is example of allylic secondary type of alcohol. Similarly, consider this OH group bonded to tertiary carbon, that is a carbon bonded to three other carbon atoms, and this sp3 hybridized tertiary carbon is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon, and this is example of allylic tertiary alcohol. Similar to this allylic primary, allylic secondary, and allylic tertiary alcohols, here two more examples are given. We had already studied in the definition that when benzene ring is bonded to CH2 group, so this part of molecule, it is called as a benzyl group, and when OH group is bonded to benzyl group, then this alcohol is called as a benzyl alcohol. So here OH group is bonded to primary carbon, therefore it is benzylic primary alcohol. Now consider this second example. Here OH group is bonded to this secondary carbon, and this carbon is bonded to aromatic ring, and therefore it is benzylic secondary alcohol. So that is about allylic primary, allylic secondary, allylic tertiary type of alcohols, and this benzylic primary, benzylic secondary, and benzylic tertiary alcohols. Then next is next type of classification is, we had studied now alcohols containing sp3 hybridized carbon bonded to OH group. They are further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. Similarly, allylic primary, secondary, tertiary, and benzylic primary, secondary, and tertiary. Now, the second type is alcohols containing sp2 hybridized carbon to which OH group is bonded. So this type of group, that is containing CH2 double bond CH, this group is called as a vinyl group. So when OH group is bonded to vinyl group, then this type of alcohols are called as a vinylic alcohols. Here OH group is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. So that is about the next type of alcohol, that is vinylic alcohols. Here the example of vinyl alcohol, that is CH2 double bond CH single bond OH. So that is about classification of alcohols and phenols. Now the next type of this chapter is to study the classification of ethers. We know ethers having general formula, this ROR or AROAR, depending upon alkyl group or aryl group bonded to this central oxygen. So if this R and R dash group or aryl group and other aryl group, if they are the same, then type of ether are called as a symmetrical ethers or also called as a simple ethers. Then if this R and R dash group or AR and AR dash group, they are different, then the type of ether called as a unsymmetrical ether, they are also called as a mixed ethers. So here example of simple ether is general formula first, ROR or AROAR. This is a general formula for aliphatic and aromatic ether, and which is the symmetrical type, also called as a simple ethers. Example is CH3OCH3. Here both R groups are same, and therefore it is the example of symmetrical ether. Then second type is unsymmetrical ether, that is also called as a mixed ether. Here in the general formula ROR dash, here R and R dash groups are different. Similarly, if aromatic, then AROAR dash. Here AR and AR dash groups are different, that is aromatic ether. Here one example of unsymmetrical ether aliphatic type is CH3O C2H5. Here one R group is CH3 and other R group is C2H5. Then other example is C6H5O CH3. Here it is again example of mixed ether, that is unsymmetrical ether, because R group and here AR group and R group are different. So that is about the classification of ethers as a simple and mixed, or also called as a symmetrical and unsymmetrical type of ether. So we had studied the definition and classification of this ethers and alcohols and phenols. Thank you.